Good morning. Today I will show you how to use a BV Endura C-arm, second generation. This C-arm does not come with a battery. However, it does have the flat panel monitors and it is lightweight. First, I will show you how to power it on. You can power it on from here, or you may use this button to power the system on. It's booting up. Just give it a few minutes. This is the main board on the workstation. Up here we have a USB for the printer, and we have the storage for the USB, the mouse, and the connections for the hospital network. Up here we can add patient information. Here we have the C-arm control panel, and you can choose the type. You go to exam type. We have orthopedics, head and spine, lumbar spine, thorax, and abdominal. Now I will show you how to position the C-arm. To move it up, you will press both buttons at the same time. And down with pressing both buttons. Second positioning of the C-arm. We have all of our locks. This is first in and out. Back and forth. Lock. Up and down. And to slide it from side to side. Be sure to keep the C-arm in lock position before doing fluoroscopy. Once we have the patient information on the monitor screen, we are now ready to do fluoroscopy. Once we have entered the patient information on the monitors and the C-arm is ready, we can now start our examination. It's very important to have the proper protection before doing any x-ray examination or radiation on x-ray machines, CT scanners, etc. This is the lead glass that you can use, or you may use a lead vest. I will use a lead vest today. Right now we will perform fluoroscopy. This will be the regular fluoroscopy. To change images to the right side of the screen. And to enhance your fluoroscopy, now you will see a difference. This is the enhanced, and this will be the regular fluoroscopy shot. Now we are able to save the images on the USB memory. You will insert it into the storage slot. Up here, you will press on the USB button, and it will show right down here in the left corner, image is being stored to USB memory stick. Later, you will be able to show or view the images on this memory stick. Next, we are now able to print. You will go ahead and click on print, and it will print the image. When you're doing radiation, this light will indicate when you are doing fluoroscopy on the hand switch that you can use, or the foot switch. Also, be sure that these cables are always out of the way, not stepped on, not ran over, and make sure that you're properly keeping them wrapped when you're done using the C-arm. One last thing, I will show you how to view the images on your computer. You will insert your USB from the workstation into the computer. And here on the screen, you will go to your files, Philips X-ray images, and here we can view all the images that we did so far today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. You can contact us at any time and find our information on this video.